Today, we dive into the topic of levels of biological organization. Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around us? Well, it all begins with the tiniest, most fundamental building blocks of matter, the atoms. Everything that you see around us is made up of atoms. Picture an atom like a tiny solar system. It has a central part called the nucleus, and around it we have electrons revolving around like the planets revolving around the sun. Only 16 of the hundreds of atoms found in nature are necessary for life. These are known as bioelements. These 6 elements, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and potassium, are the real heroes since they make up 99% of all life. When these atoms team up and hold hands, they form molecules. It's like a friendship that keeps them together. The molecules found in living organisms are called biomolecules, such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. These molecules group together in the form of chains to form macromolecule, or simply a big molecule. One incredible example of a macromolecule is DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. It's like a magical recipe book for all living things because it holds all the information. Now, let's go a little bigger. Cells. Imagine them as tiny living factories. They work together to keep living things going, just like tiny workers inside a big city. Cells come in two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. The prokaryotic ones are simple and they don't have a central command center, while the eukaryotic ones have a nucleus, which is like the brain of a cell. Now imagine cells with different superpowers, such as the nerve cells with the superpower of electricity, and muscle cells with the superpower of strength. So the cells with similar superpower team up and work together to form tissues. Now, tissues combine to create organs. These are like a group of friends who are experts in different things. Together, they make sure our bodies work smoothly. You won't believe this, but organs join forces to form organ systems. It's like superheroes forming a dream team. Each system, like the circulatory system or the respiratory system, has its unique mission. Look around you. See those tall trees, cute animals, and even tiny microorganisms? They are all different types of organisms, living creatures like us. When we gather all the individuals of the same species living in a particular area, we call it a population. For instance, all the pine trees in a forest make up the pine tree population. Now, let's add more friends to the mix. When different populations of plants, animals, and microorganisms live together in one place, they create a community. This is where the real party starts, the ecosystem. It's like a magical dance where living beings like plants and animals interact with non-living things like the soil and water. And finally, we have the whole Earth as our stage, the biosphere. It's the home of all life, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. And there you have it. Atoms unite to form molecules, molecules unite to form cells. Cells join forces to form tissues. Tissues make up the organs, organs collaborate with other organs to form organ system. And there you have it, organ systems make up individuals, such as a human. Same individuals gather to form a population. Different populations make up the community, and the community forms the ecosystem.